When something comes along that offers solid performance at a fraction of the price, it's time to make the switch. These carbide inserts are getting the job done at just $1.18 per cutting edge. Do the math. Compare this cost per edge to what you're running now. For shoulder milling aluminum parts, I tend to go with the smallest diameter tool body that the job allows to keep my RPMs high. Now this 1.5-inch indexable runs in the sweet spot, around 10,000 RPMs at 4,000 surface feet. And it's on sale now for just $77. During the Haas summer sale, the holder is under $30, and a full box of inserts for $47. Each insert has 4 cutting edges. Everything in this assembly is on sale now. Inserts, indexable tooling, holders, and pull studs. With pricing and performance like this, it's time to make the switch.